This is a math lesson. This is actually a chapter review of chapter 15, pages 283 and 284. And so this is one that normally I let the students do on their own, but I did want to go through it a little bit. So on top of page 283, it says use the word bank and write the name of the plane figure. Complete the table. Remember, the plane figure is just flat like paper. So you have hexagon, pentagon, triangle, quadrilateral. They want you to write the names of each of those there, and then how many sides, how many angles, and how many vertices. Remember, the sides are just those line segments. The angles is where those line segments meet, forms angles, and the very point at where they meet is your vertex or vertices. And then on 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, they want you to write whether it's similar or congruent. So remember, similar means they're the same. Congruent means that they're equal. They're the same size and the same shape. Congruent, equal, same size, same shape. Similar just means they're the same shape. Remember, number 9, 10, 11, and 12, they want you to label it as a slide, a flip, or a turn. And if you remember, slide, flip, and turn. So they want you to label those, and they have put dots there for you to pay attention to. And then trace the lines of symmetry. Write the name of each figure. So what figure is that? Write it there. These are plane figures, so you need to make sure you're writing the plane figure here. And then draw your line of symmetry. Remember, the line of symmetry is when you fold it in half, it's the same on both sides. Then on the back side, you have the solid figures. Remember, they want you this. They have a word bank cone, cube, cylinder, rectangular prism, rectangular pyramid, and sphere. So this one they've done for you. That is a cube. They wrote cube. Just put an X if it has it. We don't need to know how many. It has faces. It has edges. And it has vertices. Remember your faces? Faces. Edges is where the faces meet. And your vertices is the point where the faces come together. So it has all of those, and they just put the X's in there for you. So I need you to do the rest of those. And then down here, Horatio, which solid figures do the shapes of my head, my tail, and this nut remind you of? So he's just giving you a little challenge. So they want you, number 22, which figure has 6 square faces? And you'll write that down there. And you're going to use this word bank again. There are 6, and you have 6 here, so you should use 1 each. Make sure you read what it says, and because they'll try to trick you. All right, this is for review of your test, so do a good job, and thank you very much.